Hi guys, welcome back. I hope everyone is safe there and getting back to your normal routines. So today's video will be all about the new update from an immigration which was made on 24th August 2020. This is a kind of a good news for a visitor who is already there in Canada. So according to the IRCC media release on 24th August 2020, who visitor who is already in Canada with a valid job offer and valid Canadian employer can apply for a work permit. So this doesn't apply for someone who is coming to Canada as a visitor after 24th August 2020. So before how it was is usually one who is applying for a work permit has to apply it from their own country in the initial days. So once before coming to Canada, in case if they are already been in Canada as a visitor, when their work permit is getting approved, they have to leave the country and come back again in order to activate their work permit. But now looking into the change and considering a COVID situation, the government has come up with this temporary policy permit which will help the visitor who is there in Canada to earn the money as well as to have a valid status in Canada. So what are the eligibility criteria for this? So the eligibility criteria stands like valid status in Canada as a visitor on August 24, 2020 and who want to stay in Canada more longer. The valid job offer should be there. An application from employer specific work permit supported by LIMA meet all the specific admission criteria. So in short, if I have to tell you who can apply, is the visitor who is already there in Canada and who has a valid job offer with the employer can apply for the work permit with the help of their employer, and they can receive the work permit without even leaving the country. So why this policy was introduced? This was this is to benefit the employer in Canada who is facing a difficulty finding an right talent to work on, as well as it is because of the situation of COVID, the visitor or the one who has to leave the country or unable to leave the country, and it was to support the visitor also as well as the employer of the Canada. This policy was introduced. And one more main thing will be like one whose work permit is getting expired, who has a specific employer work permit, can even apply for the other job and get a job with the existing work permit until their new work permit get approved. So this is really a good part. There is a lot of layoffs happening nowadays, and moreover because of the COVID, a lot of people lost their jobs. This is because of that. It will help them to find a new employer and as well as start their work as soon as possible. Either their work permit is getting approved, but the criteria will stand like this. The applicant who has valid work permit in past 12 months will be able to work for their new employer before their new work permit get approved. This is very good part, as there may be a lot of layoffs happening due to COVID situation. The person can able to get the job and able to find a new employer as well. So you can apply for a work permit authorization while waiting on their new work permit with the IRCC web that I'll show it in a screen. Please go through that link in a description as well. Any type of visitor who has eligibility criteria can apply for this, including the super visa, business visitor, one who has a global skill strategy work permit visa. Actually what happened, I'll tell you the truth. I have read and I have seen my friends as well doing this. Once their work permit was getting over, that is an expiry date was near, they were supposed to convert their work permit into a visitor visa because of the no air travel and to maintain a valid status in Canada. So that was costing too much money for them, and it was a lot of effort has to be done, but fortunately there was a lot of hope to do that with the help of a Canadian government website. They were able to do it very kind of easily now. So this was the situation happened because of the COVID. There was a lot of things which came across. So the government of Canada has come up with this to help the visitor to earn and make their living if possible in Canada, having a valid status. So even the employer who has the difficulty in finding the right talent because of a COVID situation, able to find the talent here. So this is about the video, guys. I hope you like it. This is a new update from the Canadian government. You can find that in the link or description. I have linked the government website in the link as well. There is a lot of more details written on this. Just please go and check it out. This is all about the video. Thank you.